If you want to keep your finances organized, categorizing transactions in QuickBooks Online is essential. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the Banking or Transactions tab. Here, you'll see a list of all imported bank or credit card transactions. Click on a transaction to expand it, and QuickBooks will often suggest a category based on your history. You can accept the suggestion or select a different category from the drop-down menu, like office supplies, utilities, or rent. For recurring expenses, you can create a rule so that similar transactions are automatically categorized in the future, saving you time. Don't forget to add a memo or note if it helps you remember the purpose of the transaction. Once done, click Add or Save to apply the category. Reviewing your categories regularly ensures accurate financial reports, better tax preparation, and insight into spending patterns.